Tell me, how can I help you?
I am new to this country. I have just a pocket guide with me. I have come to India to explore the culture and heritage of this beautiful country and to know more about its folk tradition.
Madam, our motherland is Bharat, the cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the great-grandmother of tradition.
Will you make me feel the essence of folk tradition of your country?
Sure. Get set. Here we go. Karnataka is a land known for its culture. Karnataka is a land of fragrance. Fragrance of sandalwood, roses, and the fresh aroma of roasted coffee beans. Namma bhashe, namma hadu, namma rotti, namma palya. The folk dance of Hubli Dharwad region is amazing, especially those performed on Shankranti and Yugadi. Come, let's watch them dance.
ಜಲ್ಲಿ ಕಬ್ಬು ಅಲ್ಲಿ